What's up? I'm doing like another personality test, and like this was in my recommendeds, and it has cats, and I'm so happy. It's like, okay, oh my god, the picture's so cute. Answer 10 questions, enjoy. I've also got my calculator. I'm not doing split screen. That makes the color off. What? I don't care. What would you describe your body type? Broad, athletic, large, muscular, skinny, slim. I don't know. I'd have to say broad. I read that broad. I'm not athletic. I'm slim. I'd say kind of broad. I mean, broad. Yeah. That music just like was going, and then now it's just gone. No. YouTube next. D. The panicked face. C. The smiley face. 60. To be honest, I am most likely watching YouTube, Netflix. Where do you like to live? Somewhere in Asia, United Kingdom, USA. Somewhere in Asia. I will have to say that it is somewhere in... What was the amount of points? 50. I would love to live somewhere in Asia or China, but God bless if anybody hurts a cat there. How active are you? Not very active, extremely active, very absent, preserve, moderately active. Not very active. I mean, I can get active. I can run down a hallway. I can see how this deals with cats. My natural beauty, everything. I'm not B. My hair is okay. I would like to say my eyes. I'm not really sure, but I'm just gonna go with my eyes. I don't know. Everybody thinks badly of themselves. How are they supposed to answer this question? What are your houses? What are you classified as? The geek, the really popular, the student, the shy one, the basic rules, the kind one who is very likable. Not F. Not a geek. Not really popular. Not very. I mean, what? Like, if class clown was an option, that is what it would be. But I'm gonna go with rebel, kind of. Maybe geek. I'm gonna go with geek. Wait, no, I'm not geek. Rebel. Let's just say I'm a rebel. Or a quiet one. Which one? Rebel. That was 48. Oh my god, I probably got it. No. How do we go back? Dang it. I'm going back. I never really paused it. Okay. What would you say your worst quality is? That I constantly need attention. I get depressed easily. I'm really fussy when it comes to food. I get attracted to people too quickly. I'm lazy. I eat too much. I'm very loud. I would like to say I'm very loud, because I do have a loud voice. It may not seem like it in my videos, but I do. I get too loud. And I'm yell all the time. That's not an option. That's not an option. Talkative. Again, it's loud. I'm talkative. I went quiet for like a couple dead seconds. I would like to say none of the above. I'd start to become famous when I die. Maybe not a well-known product. Maybe I don't know. I actually maybe like the film's well-known TV series. I wouldn't be for doing charity work. I wouldn't die some very weird way and become famous for it. Maybe not media. I'd like to say B. Okay, let's see. Results, finally. Oh, hold on. I got 350. Okay, that's... Oh, that's... I'm Siamese.